One way to advertise your business is to print t-shirts and hats. Of course, you should wear them all the time.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Like 7 days a week. But you can also sell them, find a way to sell them to your customers or give them away very, very cheaply so that you're really just paying for, maybe you can make a little money from them, but if you want, you can just break even on them. But the real thing that you want to accomplish here is every time you sell a t-shirt, you're creating a walking advertisement. Bob's Mechanics, make a big, like this t-shirt, right? I love my t-shirt because Problemio is my website. I printed it and it's like, it's like silly, but like I want to wear it everywhere, right? And if you're a business owner, you're going to want to wear your shirt everywhere too. And you should create a lot of people who buy your t-shirt and hat and maybe swag, maybe keychains, I don't know, something that's visible with big letters, black on white, very clear. And, walk around town and you can get promotion just that way. But also you want to create a little army of people who are walking around town, right? Stuff like that. I love this strategy. It's not like the most effective, right? It's who really reads t-shirts and goes and follows that. But it's a little bit effective and it's fun. If you're the business owner, it's really fun to have your t-shirts. I mean, probably you agree.